started the video. Hello, guys.
Alright, guys.
I am the Mighty Sigma.
I'm playing with DJ Says VR again, which hasn't posted a video in a pretty long time.
Well, yeah. My mic wasn't working on VR, and it was like a whole thing, and then it finally started working again. So now I can actually post.
3, which they already know.
Now I can actually post, and yeah, we're playing Animal Company. I am the Garungo Dumbala.
Well, stop.
There's trouble level
I have
one.
$1,000.
I have $10,000. I'm gonna go.
Yeah,
should I go buy us umbrellas?
Here. Take that.
Should I go buy us umbrellas?
Take it back.
Should I go buy us umbrellas? I have 10K.
No, let's just find. We're gonna find some. If we can't find any, then we go.
I'm not taking chances. Oh my god, I know. Oh, it almost made me buy the hoverboard. I'm gonna go buy an umbrella. Tell me if you want one.
Oh, give me one. Yeah, I'm
Oh, I almost landed on the landmine. Wait, oh man. I am the Garungo Dumbala. There's trouble. Oh my, how? Oh, it's a traffic light. I am the Garungo Dumbala. Oh yeah, take a grenade too. Take the grenade. And music. We need the music.
Call the radio, idiot. Do you have the umbrella?
No, I have an umbrella. Because we're going to go to the cave first, but I just want to make sure.
Did you buy me one?
Yeah, once my hand gets up. Bro, my hand is stuck.
Here, let me explode you.
Please. No, just hit me with a crowbar.
Run! Oh, he died.
I'm coming back. Should I come back? Jolly, come in. Come in. Jolly, come in.
Go away, I'm coming back.
Okay, come back. I am the Garungo Dumbala. The shovel double wobble.
Alright, wait for me. Oh, looks like bro wanted a funny-looking pancake.
That pancake was so tasty, Jolly. I was about to grab it and just put it in my mouth, and then throw my backpack.
Oh wait, hold on, I need to get my crowbar out of there. A crowbar. Hey, where's my umbrella?
You didn't. I died. Remember?
Alright.
You take music.
We're gonna go to cave.
Do we need music?
Yeah.
Alright, so today on this video, we're gonna go to cave. This cave. We're gonna go to zero gravity. And maybe if Jolly gets a shotgun, we can go into the new haunted house. Oh, yo! Glitch! Jolly, there's a glitch. Look! Look, do you see this? And then you go on the other side. Nothing.
Oh, so that's what I got stuck in last time.
I am the Garungo Dumbala. This trouble double wobble. And if you don't know how to find a shotgun here, it's kind of bad. Because we can't kill the bird if you don't find a shotgun. I mean, well, the chicken. Harassment.
Stop it, bro.
Blood harassed me?
Hey, he's a harasser.
I am the Garunk. I am the Garungo Dumbala. Mimic! I am a drunk man. Big back bomb. Big back bomb!
How did he not die? How did he not die?
Big back bomb, bro. It's a big back bomb. I don't understand. That bomb was a little bit big back, big back. Wait,
Big back.
I saw a gold board. I saw a golden. Yes. Go, Jolly, go, Jolly, go, Jolly. Again, the Grungo dumbbell out of crate. Get the crate. Please have a shotgun. Dang it. I'll get this gold monkey. If there's a pipe, let me have it. No, no. Oh my god. Yenda Garungo Dumbala, this trouble bubble water. Shotgun! Yes!
I know.
2 crates right here. Hold up, be careful, because one of them could have a bomb in them. I'm stepping back. Yes, you got a shotgun. Yeah, I'll get your stuff. Put your stuff in your backpack. Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Run! Phew.
No! We lost one. Oh, my game is glitching. Hold on. My screen is glitching so badly right now.
Alright, that should be everything.
Danny, I can't fit anything. I can't fit anything. The rest. Danny, where's my... Wait. Danny, you take that. I can't. I don't have enough space.
Crowbar? I'll take the gold bar. I am the Garungo Dumbala, this trouble bubble wobble.
You are the trouble wobble bubble.
No! Are you freaking kidding me? Now I can't teleport back. Jolly, come in. I'm cooked!
And my umbrella.
I am the Garungo Dumbala. I am the Garungo Dumbala. How is it climbing? How did it climb up here? How did it climb up here? How? I need to get me out of here. Get me out of here.
Danny.
Jolly, I got out of the cave. I don't know where to go. I hate the way they revamped. Jolly! I'm being attacked! Jolly?
Why is the mimic out of the spawn?
I had to run all the way back. Oh my god. Oh my god. Where's my backpack and where's my umbrella? I saw something shoot up into the air over here. I don't know if it was my umbrella or me, my dead body, but...
Bro! I got your backpack.
Oh, is my umbrella in it? Where are you?
No, it's not in there.
Jolly, come in. Where are you? Oh. I have to go buy a new umbrella. I'll go buy us umbrellas. How much did we get? Oh my god. I am the Garung.
Give me one. Give me
If
one.
I
Buy me
said
one,
I
please.
love you, would you say it back? Yes. I love
So you still believe it?
it back.
Just walk on a wall, man. It's easy.
Gunga rungo tumbala, this trouble bubble bubble. I am the garungo dumbala, this trouble bubble bubble.
So I found like these two boxes and all this stuff on top of a thingy.
Where are you? I got an umbrella for you, over.
So I found like a medium-sized banana.
You mean a big banana? Jolly? I'm coming to you. I think he's up here. I am. Where are you?
And he's literally right here outside the door.
Where are you?
I'm.
Oh, here
are you. Oh, Danny.
Where's Danny?
Look.
What?
I found it over here. Follow me. I found it like over there. Oh, you see that?
Oh, what's that? I am the Garung. Oh, Dumba. This trouble double wobble. What is this for? Goodbye, Jolly.
No! Don't leave!
I was just gonna jump into the water. Thing is, Jolly, if you would have had your umbrella open, you wouldn't have ended up like you would have ended up like me. I am the Garungo Dumbala. This trouble
Should we sell this medium-sized banana?
Yeah, what if it gives us like $1 million? That's so rare. Wait, what? That's so weird.
Danny, did you give me my umbrella?
Oh yeah, it's over there. I dropped. Oh yeah. Oh wait, no, it's not. I am the Garungo.
Let's go.
Alright, we have to go to zero gravity and sell first, just in case there's crates and there's a shotgun. Okay? Well, not zero gravity, go in the tunnel and sell first. Okay? We're selling first, since there might be a shotgun.
Hold on. My headset's like really low.
Yeah, you have a long charger though, don't you? Dolly, I'm down in the tunnel. I am the Garungo Dumbala. This trouble bubble bubble. Okay. Don't touch the island! Oh my god! Alright, I see a golden monkey. Gonna get that golden monkey. Bump! Ow! My eyeballs and my ears. Not again. I am the Garungo.
Wait for me.
You have to break that box. Break that box.
First, I gotta kill that.
Alright, we gotta kill the traffic light. Die. Yes! Break it. Are you freaking serious? I had a feeling it was gonna be a bomb. I had an actual feeling it was gonna be a bomb. Checking if any. Nope, none of them spawned.
DJ, I can't see. Oh, I can't see now.
Bruh. That's what I hate about eyeballs. Gotta be annoying like that. What time is it? 8:25. Bro, what is blood? You have to kill that thing if you want to get that bomb. Kill it! Kill it! Kill it! Kill it! Please kill it. Kill it. You need to kill it. Kill it! Kill it! What would happen if the mimic touched the eyeball? Yes! Yes! What would happen if the mimic touched the eyeball thing? Would it die? Pipe. Just... Burper! He burped. Why do they always have to burp like that, bro? Like, stop burping!
Can we sell this pipe?
If you want, yeah. Oh, Alright, let's just stock up on this cave, I guess.
I need some light. Hold up,
Get the TP. I'm getting the TP. I'm getting stuff till my backpack is full, brother. So we might be in here until the mimic spawns again. Alright. Oh, banana. In the backpack. Also, when you look into the backpack, it's just a black hole. Oh.
Over here, bro. Come on.
Wait, I'm stocking up.
Mimic!
Go! Just go! How am I being attacked?
Okay, where'd you go?
Oh,
I see you, bro.
Yeah, I hear. Jolly! I am the Durango Dumbala.
Danny!
Yeah?
Danny! What are you doing?
Oh, thought you were over there.
We're selling.
What? I am the Garungo Dumbala. Wait! Rich. We're gonna be rich. Alright, let's go back. Dang! We just got $1,000! Oh, yum, the Garungo Dumbala. This trouble bubble bubble. I am the Garungo. How do I still have 10K if we just got $1,000? Because we almost just got $2,000. Come on, Jolly, we don't need bulk pucks. Since we go into zero gravity. And it'll just slow us down. Even though it helps, I am the Garungo Dabala. Jolly, you still filming? Jolly, you're still filming.
Alright, my bad.
Are you still filming?
Yeah, obviously.
Supreme.
Good. Yay.
Animal
Well, sadly,
Con-
I don't have my umbrella. Well, I left my umbrella in my backpack. It's fine.
It's in your backpack.
'Cause
You have your backpack on. You have your backpack on.
I know.
At zero gravity, you gotta drop that crowbar, though. Because we won't need it. Yo, I'm keeping it safe. I'm not getting my eyeballs peeled out. Never mind. My God. In slow motion. I am the
Rumble Stan.
Oh, a box. Break it. Nothing. The mimic's still there. Come on. Jolly, where are you? Imagine I just jumped off.
Zero gravity looks more beautiful now. Zero gravity looks cool, to be honest. I actually really like zero gravity.
Yeah, I have not played Animal Company on my channel yet, so... And this game isn't really... It's popular, but it's not popular, so... People watching this probably never played this game before, so... Zero Gravity looks actually so cool. Oh yeah, I forgot Shrink. Mimic! I'm gonna push him. No! Burpee! He burped! The bomb burped. Alright, be careful since we haven't been to Zero Gravity in this code yet. You never know if an eyeball. We good? Oh wait, no, still be careful. Still be a little bit careful. I am a Garungo Double. This is mostly the part that me and Jolly always die at.
Where's my umbrella? No.
In your backpack.
No, I took it out. And then it started falling and then... Oh, this thing is weird.
I'll go try and look for it.
I pulled out my charger.
If you like pina coladas. Oh, it probably got stuck on a pipe. Dang it! No, I have gravity. Jolly's cooked. No! Oh my god. Jolly, where are you? Yes!
I found it. I finally lost it.
Because if you didn't have that, you would be cooked with a suitcase.
Okay, Zero Gravity looks amazing.
Exactly. I like it when it's dark. It's so cool. All right, we gotta get these suitcases.
You gonna get the suitcase? I need to get a golden nugget.
All right, let me get the suitcase. Okay. Easy, brother. Dolly, you getting suitcases? Oh my god, I'm cold.
No.
Alright.
I'm getting...
So fast? Okay. Oh my... How are we going to do this?
I
hate this. Okay, so... Oh, queso. Jolly, aren't the eyeball things kind of queso?
Wait.
Subscribe to me or you're a beta, okay? And if you subscribe, you're a Sigma. Right, Jolly? Right, Jolly? Yes. Okay.
I didn't die.
I never got gold. Jolly.
I kind of just died.
Would you die to? And then make us an anglerfish.
Any? Nothing.
Jolly, I survived. Alright, well, alright, guys. I think this will be enough for the video.
I think I got disconnected.
Bye. Bye, guys. Hope you enjoyed the Sigma video.